We have Coke. We have Mentos. And we have Riley drinking hot chocolate on the hottest day possible. Loser. So today, we're going to be drinking Coke while having Mentos in our mouth. Such a good idea, right? Yeah, we're going to die. Well, I'm gonna have Riley recording, and we're gonna take turns doing this. So you gotta make sure you don't get that fizz out, or else your hands will be really kind of sticky. Oh, it's torture! How your hands should never be kind of.
Your hands
sticky.
are all sweaty. Hi.
Okay.
Look at
Getting out my Mentos.
Mentos.
And for those of you who have never heard of Mentos and Coke, bad idea, man. See, look. Mento, what they look like. Bet you some of you out there are thinking lifesavers. No. Think what?
You just ruined it. Yeah, that what happened.
Yep, that's what happened, you guys.
That what happened. You just ruined it.
Okay. Maybe it'll still work.
Maybe. Put in your mouth now. Do it. Nothing. Do it, do it, do it. Nothing. You'll do it again with my soda. Okay? We'll do it again.
That stuff tastes terrible. But, separated, it tastes delicious.
It has one in there.
Chug, chug, chug.
Oh. Disgusting. Good.
Wish we can edit that to like have the big words disgusting. Okay,
Good. That was good, people.
now we're gonna see what happens when Riley gets his hot cocoa dumped on him. But maybe we can do that for another episode. Who knows? Maybe Riley will go with it, or maybe we'll chicken out. Huh? Who knows? Possibilities are endless. Eh? Oh, that was good. That was really good. It was the best thing possible. I'm gonna grab my Mentos. Gotta grab my Mentos, bruh. Gotta grab my Mentos, bruh. Gotta grab my Mentos, bruh. Okay. Riley, do you have your stuff?
Not yet.
Your Coke and Mentos?
Tell them that we'll be back.
Huh?
Tell them we'll be back. I have to finish it.
Oh. We'll be back with another episode tomorrow, yo. Bye-bye.